Welcome back, folders. Today I will be showing you how to fold an origami airplane. This plane is very smooth in flight. It just flies where you throw it, and it has a long flight duration. If you throw it at just the right angle, you will need one sheet of A4 printer paper to fold this. So let's learn how to fold it. So what I have here is a sheet of A4 printer paper. Just grab one and you're ready to fold. The first step will be folding the paper in half, like so. Open it up, and you will have yourself a middle crease. What you want to do with this is take these two top corners and then fold them down so that this edge meets this crease. Now take this top corner and then fold it down so that it lies on top of the downmost middle point. Like so. The next step will be once again folding the top edges to the middle line so that they lie on top of the crease, like so. Now, as you can see, we have this little triangle here. What you want to do is fold this like so from this line. Okay, now you should have this. Next, just turn to the other side and fold the model in half. Now all you have to do is bring the wings down to this edge. So repeat this for both. And now the plane is ready to fly, but if you want to add a better corridor for the wing to slide and thus create a better aerodynamic for your plane, you could take the wing and fold it to this middle line, like so. And then repeat for the other one. So that you have these two new flaps or wings. And now give this plane a shot and it should be able to fly pretty well. It's a pretty smooth flight, and have fun playing with it. And there you go, we finished folding our origami paper plane. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any model that you would like to see me fold, then notify me on the comments section below. And if you want to see more origami content, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications. I'll see you on the next tutorial.